Guys, it's Kenzie and welcome back to my channel. Today I have some tips and tricks for you that I've come up with over the past few years for Crohn's and colitis. First thing I have on my list are essential oils. Now I'm just going to show you 3 of my favorite. And my favorite essential oil is this citrus one. I don't know if you can see it, but it's called Citrus Fresh, and this brand is Young and Living. But they sell them everywhere: Walmart, Target, Meijer, Five Below. They might even sell them at the dollar store. They sell them online. You can really get them anywhere. But for this essential oil, this scent, I like to use this for my anxiety, panic attacks, things like that. So how I use it is I sniff it, and then immediately, like, the scent calms my body. I put some on my finger and I rub it under my nose or behind my ears, and that really helps. I recommend this for people with anxiety because it just really helps calm my nerves. The next essential oil that I love is peppermint. Now this I use for stomach pain, stomach aches, anything like that. And I just rub it on my stomach and it really just helps relieve the pain. Especially because I'm not the biggest fan of taking like medicine and things like that, so I like to use natural products. And then the last essential oil that I want to show you is lavender, and all these essential oils can be put into a diffuser. This one's good for a diffuser because it just is very relaxing for your mindset, and it's really relaxing physically too. It helps me sleep if you're having trouble sleeping at night. But the one thing I do have to say about essential oils is that they can be dangerous to animals and pets. So just be careful when you're using them and what you're using them around, because animals can get sick by being around them and like smelling them in the air with like diffusers and things like that. Next tip or trick I have for you guys is called CBD oil, and this is the brand CTFO, and my mom's friend recommended this, and it works amazing, let me tell you. If you're starting off, I would recommend the 500. This brand CTFO is just amazing. It really helps reduce inflammation and relaxes your body. And by the way, there is no THC in this, so you do not get high from it. It is from the marijuana plant, but you do not get high from this. The marijuana plant has a lot of benefits for health, so CBD is very amazing. Another thing to go along with CBD is shampoo and conditioner from this same brand, because a few years ago I started getting balding spots from losing so much nutrition from having this disease that I was losing a lot of hair. Now I got CBD shampoo and conditioner and like other hair products from them, and let me tell you, my hair isn't as thick as it was, but it has grown a lot more since I've been using this product. Next thing I want to talk about is very obvious, and everybody should be doing this even if you don't have any health issues, is to stay hydrated, because staying hydrated really fuels your body and just makes you feel so good overall. So I request drinking lots of water. Next, I want to talk about picking up some hobbies. Now I am wearing my little clay rings I've been making. I make clay jewelry. If you want to check out my Etsy, I actually sell these, but I like to make clay jewelry. Along with, I like to make some artwork. I like to draw and paint. So my favorite music artist is Billie Eilish, and her new album came out, Happier Than Ever, so I made my own little fan work. If you want to go check it out on my Etsy. I made even more than that, but I just like to do little crafts like that. I think it's really good for your mind, just to get distracted for a little bit and just do something you enjoy. Along with Billie Eilish, I think music has really gotten me a far way. It's just very good for my mindset. Again, like, I don't know what music does to me, but music is something very close to my heart and that I will always enjoy. I always find something amazing. Check out Billie Eilish and her new album. Next thing I want to talk about are heating pads. Now, really, like baths, heating pads, anything like that has really benefited me and saved me in a lot of situations. If you don't have a heating pad, you can make your own. So what you do is get a Ziploc bag, like a bigger one. You can fill it up with warm water, or you can get a cloth, wet it, and put it in your microwave, and you can keep reheating it. So those are really easy, simple ways to make heating pads. And if you're on the go and you don't have those things, something you can find in the store, mainly around hunting season, are these little individual like hand heaters and feet heaters. You have to be careful with those because I have burnt my skin on them because I kept it in a place for too long. I forgot about it. But like when you're traveling, those are like really good to have, and like it's just a lifesaver. Last thing I want to share with you guys is called a gua sha. Now I got this on Amazon, and what this is it defines your jawline and helps like massage your face. Now I'm sharing this because I know a lot of Crohn's and colitis patients take the steroid prednisone or steroids, and that does cause like puffiness in your face, and it makes you look a little chunkier, or you do gain some weight from it. So mainly this is the product I want to share. It's called a gua sha. I do think they sell them at the dollar store now, which is really cool. But it's like this stone, and what you do is you go like this. Like it shows, you can even look up tutorials on YouTube, but it like defines your jawline, and it just helps me mentally and physically look better. And it's like I just want to feel more confident about myself. So yeah, I really recommend getting one of these because this really helped me feel better about myself. Now I probably will end up making a part 2 to this later on, but those are my little tips and tricks I have for you guys today. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you all have an amazing day.